Jai Hind everyone. My name is Dr. Ayushi Prakash. I am professor at Ajay Kumar Garg Engineering College in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Also working in the Training and Placement Department as Corporate Relation Manager. So talking about journey of UHV, my first workshop I have done in the month of January in year 2024, and then again I have done 5 days workshop, that is UHV level 2, and totally I have done 8 days UHV. And as because I'm at very a base level, मैं बहुत fundamental basics जान पाई हूँ UHV के, और उसके according I can say on the basis of 8 days fundamentals information of UHV content, I am impacted. Yes. So in terms of individual level, if I want to share my opinion, so in terms of thought, if I am say, I am feeling like I'm impacted by UHV in a way that I do have reduced thought now. Before that, I feel like many times without any purpose, I'm thinking about anything continuously, and it was like very tired, and I feel many times tired, and I feel like exhausted. So now I'm feeling like, yes, I'm thinking only when it is required, when I have to plan something, when it creates something good, then only I start thinking. Otherwise, I want to be in myself in the present moment. So after UHV, I feel like, yes, my approaches are changing. Now I feel like there is no less time or more time. The only thing is we have to be in the present time, and I have reduced my travel in past and future. Most of the time, I want to believe in doing rather than thinking. So whenever it is required to plan something for doing something, I do that. Otherwise, I wanted to be in myself, and my approach is in life. By this way, I can save energy and I can save time. Now I'm more aware about this space, and I am enjoying this space. In a better way, I can understand the relationship with the help of a space, and in terms of all the things I'm associated with, I can see all those things in terms of time, energy and space. Behavior wise, yes, nowadays after UHV, I'm feeling like I'm more kind towards me first, and more kind towards other also, because earlier it was like I am sometimes more reactive than response. So ज़्यादातर मैं react करती थी. If something is coming in form of proposal, I think like somebody is imposing his or her thought to me, and feel like I have to react on it, because why somebody can say like this. But after UHV, I feel like if somebody is saying something, it means they are giving their proposal. If I'm not okay with that, I can give response, I can add up things in that, and I can contribute what I can do. And I don't want to be restless now. So I give my behavior, I feel my behavior is in like more kind, and I'm in more rest. Behavior wise, I'm feeling more love towards everyone, and towards the people related to me. Now coming to the impact on family, as because I am thinking, I am enjoying myself, I am enjoying to be with myself. मुझे मेरे साथ टाइम स्पेंड करना अच्छा लगता है, मुझे मेरे साथ रहना अच्छा लगता है, and I'm giving more time for the learning and to improve myself after UHV. So people also I feel like people also connected with me, and they are feeling more related with me, and they are enjoying with me while doing work or while when I'm at home. So yes, I am now more connected because also I do have concept of, you can say, bhav. Earlier I was thinking I am negative now, I am positive now, somebody is negative, somebody is positive. UHV makes me learn that there's nothing like negative positive. Only अगर आपके पास भावना है, भावना जैसे केयर, गाइडेंस, एंड अगर आपके लव, उस भावना की कमी है, अभाव, तो दो ही स्टेटस हो सकते हैं, या तो आप भाव में हैं या तो आपके पास अभाव है, यानी भावना की कमी है. तो पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव कुछ नहीं है. ये अब मुझे समझ में आता है, अगर मैं देख पाती हूँ कि सामने वाला मेरे से अच्छे से नहीं बात कर रहा है, तो मैं उसके भाव के स्तर पे जाती हूँ और मुझे समझ में आता है कि किस भाव की कमी हो रही है, और अगर मैं दे सकती हूँ वो भाव तो मैं देने की कोशिश करती हूँ, और अगर मैं नहीं दे सकती हूँ तो मैं फिर रेस्टलेस नहीं होती हूँ, क्योंकि मैं उतना ही कंट्रीब्यूट कर पाती हूँ जितना मैं कर सकती हूँ उस समय पे. तो इस तरीके से मैं फील करती हूँ कि मैं फैमिली में ज़्यादा रिलेटेड हूँ, और वॉट एवर आई कैन गिव माई टाइम, आई कैन गिव माई ओपिनियन, आई कैन एडवाइज देम. आफ्टर दैट मैं ये नहीं चाहती हूँ कि वो इस चीज़ को मान ले. मैं इसको प्रपोजल के फॉर्म में देती हूँ, और मैं बिल्कुल ओके रहती हूँ कि जो मेरा एक्सपेक्टेड आपसे है वो अगर आप करते हैं तो ठीक है, और नहीं करते हैं तो भी ठीक है. मेरी एक्सपेक्टेशन आपसे बनी है, लेकिन आप उसको पूरा करें ये ज़रूरी नहीं है. ये बात मुझे UHV से समझ में आई थी. So now I am well connected because I do have understanding about relation, and I do have understanding about the others' opinion and proposals. So I feel better related with the people at home. In addition with this, I am also giving space whenever it is required. So it also work. Now, impact on daily routine, if I would say, earlier I have shared in UHV also that every day I used to wake up at early morning 3 o'clock, and I start worrying about my role in this entire existence. मेरा क्या रोल है, और मुझे लगता था कि मेरा टाइम, I am spending time but not achieving the purpose what I am doing. So I'm not able to get satisfied with any work. After doing UHV, again I waking up early morning and start doing meditation. So my spiritual journey started in a better way after UHV. So my daily routine, I mean, like if I'm starting my day with the spiritual things like meditation and then yoga, and then I feel like I'm more sorted. So I'm able to manage time and my all works in a good way. I mean, like अब मैं पहले से ज़्यादा अच्छे से टाइम मैनेज कर पाती हूँ, और मुझे हमेशा ये रियलाइज़ रहता है, मैं अवेयर रहती हूँ अपनी फीलिंग्स और थॉट को लेके. तो मुझे लगता है कि मेरे पास जो मेरी फीलिंग्स समझ में आ रही है और जो मेरे विचार हैं वो मुझे समझ में आ रहे हैं, उसके अकॉर्डिंग मैं जब काम करती हूँ तो मेरा रूटीन और अच्छा होता है. तो सुबह मैं मेडिटेशन से शुरू कर पाती हूँ, जहाँ मेरे दिमाग में I feel rest at that time, and I feel energetic, more energy. I don't know from where I am getting that much energy after meditation. And then starting with physical work, and then my duties, whatever I can do. And in the office also, I am able to finish my work in a better way. So yes, I can say now I'm participating in more different areas, as because my concept is clear and I'm better utilizing my time and energy. So yes, my habits are in like more meditation, more yoga, less worry, and so my habits are changing, and I'm going towards myself more, and I'm thinking about me. I'm every time I'm thinking about my coexistence. Earlier I was not knowing about the existence, but I never knew about the coexistence. So after doing UHV, I am knowing about the coexistence. I mean, like every creature, every unit, and जितने भी यूनिट से मिलके ये नेचर बना है, उन सब के एग्जिस्टेंस है यहाँ पे, और उन सब के रहने की पूरी व्यवस्था है यहाँ पे. हम जब भी कुछ करते हैं तो उससे दूसरे का नुकसान ना हो, इस बात को ध्यान में रखते हुए अगर हम किसी की मदद कर सकते हैं वो एफर्ट हमें करना है. और हमें बहुत ज़्यादा सोचने की ज़रूरत नहीं है कि हमारा क्या पर्पस है, हमें क्या करना है. हमारी जो ज़रूरत होगी वो उतना हम समझ पा रहे हैं और अपने एबिलिटी के हिसाब से हम वो काम कर पा रहे हैं आफ्टर UHV. So impact on daily routine, yes, I am I'm well in organizing thing, and I'm in habits like habits of utilizing time and energy in a better way. My family, not yet, they have not attended UHV workshop, so I'm trying to make them aware about UHV through videos and through the links of UHV classes. So I'm trying to make them aware about the UHV concept. So in near future they will be attending UHV workshop, certainly. Teaching quality, yes, teaching quality, I felt it improved, because earlier it was my thought that a class is teacher centric. After UHV, I felt like a class should be teacher as well as student centric. So I'm giving time to each and every students according to their competence. I used to listen them. I used to listen the entire problem, whatever suggestions I can add up, and I'm trying to getting the suggestions from different students having different competence level. So now our class is like more dynamic and active. Earlier I was my approach was more tending towards content. Now I am feeling like better utilizing my time and energy in terms of content and delivery, methods of delivery, so that each students having different competence, they can understand what I want to make them understand. And my students are in more, they are feeling more connected with me because I'm now seeing them with bhavna. Earlier it was not every time that I'm seeing everybody with bhav. So I'm feeling like, yes, now I can see each and every student with care and a guidance and a loving bhav. तो मुझे लगता है कि वो अब मेरे से ज़्यादा कनेक्टेड हैं और वो मुझे अपने बारे में बताते हैं और मुझसे अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स शेयर करते हैं, क्वेश्चंस शेयर करते हैं, और अब हम ज़्यादा कम्युनिकेट कर पाते हैं. नाउ कमिंग अबाउट द रिलेशनशिप विद कलीग, yes, I can see relationship with colleagues in terms जो मेरे से ज़्यादा अंडरस्टैंडिंग है, and they do have good experience and good knowledge. So now they are able to connect with me, and I am, after UHV, I am feeling like, yes, I am more connected with these type of people. With with the people having experience and exposure level of like me, they are also okay, but I am working on the person having different competence according to their journey. So I'm working on them so that we can connect more. So it's my target to achieve a good relationship with all type of colleagues. The perspective towards society or nature, yes, because I am knowing about the coexistence, and I'm knowing that understanding is more important. So it's not money. Money is really important. It's mandatory also. So you have to earn money for your day-to-day life. It's important, but it's not everything. And the right understanding of spending money and earning money is equally important to make harmony in the nature. So yes, by how to earn money and how to work to earn money and to learn with this work, so that everybody should be getting jobs, and everybody should be feeling like related with me, and people are, you know, they're feeling like in coexistence with me. So by this way I'm making relationship in a balanced harmony in the society after UHV. And my contribution towards society, as I'm doing lesser work by which I can harm society. So earlier it was like I tried to do things by which I can benefit the society. But right now I'm doing like when I gone through SDG, Sustainable Development, so goals. So I feel like making AC for the temperature, I'm utilizing it, I'm making it, using it, but I'm never thinking about the consequences happened with this. So now I'm well aware before doing anything. कुछ भी करने से पहले मेरे ये भी समझ में आता है कि क्या इससे किसी और कम्युनिटी या फिर इससे किसी और लेवल में यूनिट, नेचर के यूनिट को परेशानी तो नहीं होने वाली है। इस चीज़ का ध्यान रखती हूँ मैं सोसाइटी में, और मैं उसके अकॉर्डिंग ही काम करती हूँ। नाउ कमिंग टू द perspective about career growth, as because I'm now more into me, I am thinking about me, about my interest, about my energy and what I can do in this society. So yes, I do have information about myself. I know the requirements, I can think about the requirement of the society. So I'm working, my research work is like going towards in the same direction. So right now I'm working, after UHV, I'm working in sustainable development. My all research is associated with the sustainable development, and my research work is oriented towards the problem domain, and the problem domain is associated with the nature and the entirety. So it's not like to publishing every time the paper, it's just like to know about the concept, about the problem, and solve and try to solve the problem according to the research work. So yes, I'm doing research work in that way. And also I know that in my career, if I want to do something for the society, the best way is to I can say, as because I'm a teacher, so I can teach in a way so that a student can grow in an environment by which they can think about the society, and they can do better for the society. They can understand about the right understanding and money, and not only going towards money, and they should think about the society and nature and harmony and everything. So by teaching in a right way, by giving right direction to the student, I can contribute to the society, as well as I can, if I would be giving better perspective to the student, yes, definitely as a teacher I will grow. So I'm feeling like after a few years I can see myself at a good position, because I do have understanding about the student, their requirement, me and my requirement. So according to that I can get a better relation, and by this way definitely in few years I can see me at a good position. And technically yes, because I have to work for the society in a right way, so I'm learning different techniques and technology. So yes, there is definitely I'm growing in all directions after UHV, and my academic growth is directly and indirectly, yes, I can see. Contribution to the VESL activities, as because I'm in learning phase, and I'm at the basic level, you can say. So not in the activities, but yes, I am planning that if my contribution will be required in VESL, I will be always there. First I will learn, and then I will do some activities, whatever required up to my skill. Potential of UHV content, I feel like yes, the content is designed in a way that can creates a perspective, that can create a fundamental, I mean to say, you can find the solution of each and every problem, because if you are reading the content of the UHV, your all fundamental basics will be clear, and if your fundamentals will be clear, you can take decision very wisely. I mean, like, if you are thinking, if you are reacting something, if you are doing anything, so you will behave accordingly to, if you are knowing about the content in a better way. So just like, if I'm saying that, if I'm saying about the nature, I mean, like, it's made up of, up to my knowledge, according to the content what I have seen, so it's nature and a few things like mountain, like cloud, and forest, and I mean, like, there are many things like human being and animals. So everybody in nature, they have to be in harmony, and they are related with each other. So the only difference what I am seeing, few of them are in their existence, few of them are in their existence, plus they are growing, and just like trees and plants and trees. And if I'm talking about animal, they are growing, and they are in their existence, they're in it, and plus they are also want to live. But if I'm talking about human being, human being also, they do have their innate, and they want to live, and they are growing, but they also wanted to live in happiness. So a right understanding of happiness, I have seen the better content in UHV. So everywhere everyone is living for happiness by hook or by crook. अगर आप सभी को देखें, एक बच्चे से लेके एक बुजुर्ग तक, एक जानवर तक, मतलब सभी जानवर तो खैर फूड और अपने बेसिक नीड्स तक रहता है, लेकिन एक इंसान में एक हर स्टेज पे इंसान हैप्पीनेस के लिए काम कर रहा होता है. तो अगर वो हैप्पीनेस के लिए काम कर रहा होता है, और हैप्पीनेस कैसे मिलेगी, वो राइट अंडरस्टैंडिंग से मिलेगी, ना तो वो सिर्फ पैसे से मिलेगी, ना वो सिर्फ रिलेशनशिप से मिलेगी. उसका कॉम्बिनेशन राइट अंडरस्टैंडिंग के साथ आएगी, तभी जाके हैप्पीनेस मिलेगी. ये कंटेंट समझना ही अपने में बहुत बड़ी बात है, क्योंकि जो ये सोचता है रिलेशनशिप से हैप्पीनेस मिलेगी, वो इतना इंडल्ज हो जाता है रिलेशनशिप से कि जिस टाइम वो डिसाइड करता है कि इससे मैं रिलेटेड हूँ, वहीं उसी टाइम डिसाइड हो जाता है कि सामने वाले से उसको दुख की प्राप्ति होगी, हैप्पीनेस की नहीं. सिमिलरली जब आप पैसे के पीछे भागते हैं, तो कोई एक लिमिटेड अमाउंट नहीं होता है जिसको पाने के बाद आप बहुत खुश हो जाएंगे. तो वो जब आपके पास राइट अंडरस्टैंडिंग आती है कि कैसे आपको कितना पैसा चाहिए, किस तरीके से उसको अर्न करना है, और किस तरीके से उसको स्पेंड करना है, और रिलेशनशिप हो तो राइट अंडरस्टैंडिंग के साथ हो, तो ये बेसिक फंडामेंटल जो मुझे समझ में आया, और कोएग्जिस्टेंस के साथ रहना, तो दीज आर द बेसिक बाय विच एनीबॉडी कैन इंश्योर द हैप्पीनेस. मैं ये नहीं कह सकती हूँ कि मैं पूरी तरीके से मेरे खुद में हूँ. जब भी सामने से कोई सिचुएशन आता है, अर्लियर आई यूज्ड टू रिएक्ट, बट नाउ अ डेज मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम आई फील लाइक मैं अपने में बनी रहती हूँ. कभी कभी मैं खुद से निकल के बाहर जाती हूँ, लेकिन बहुत ही जल्दी मैं वापस आ जाती हूँ, और मैं रिस्पॉन्स देने में बिलीव करने लगी हूँ UHV के बाद, rather than react. So yes, it is potential and future commitment. मैं पूरी कोशिश करती हूँ कि जिस जनरेशन को भी, जहाँ पे भी मैं देख पाती हूँ, और मुझे जितना उसको UHV की तरफ अवेयर करना होता है, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट सो मच कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट द एंटायर कंटेंट, तो मैं उसको UHV की तरफ उसकी नॉलेज देती हूँ, उसको अवेयर करती हूँ. और कोशिश है मेरी कि मैं जो भी इसकी एक्टिविटीज़ होगी, या इसकी जो भी इस आगे फ्यूचर में जो भी इसके रिलेटेड जो भी एक्शंस होंगे, और मैं उसमें कहीं से भी योगदान दे सकती होंगी, तो आई एम ओके विद दैट, एंड आई फील हैप्पी टू कंट्रीब्यूट टू द universal human value, and I will be associated with this, and I'm very thankful. Thank you so much.